Number 1. 1987 Porsche 924S, $1,257, North Hollywood, California. This 1987 Porsche 924S offers a very affordable entry into classic European sports cars and is clearly a project vehicle. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive, and shows 25,357 miles with a clean title. The red body remains solid and wears its original wheels with new tires installed. The car does not currently run and is missing the sunroof, under-dash computer, and timing belt cover. It is best suited for an enthusiast looking for a low-cost restoration or mechanical project. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, 4800 Lynnwood, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a classic late 1970s American cruiser powered by a 5-liter 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 123,000 miles with a clean Washington title, it runs and drives well and is currently used as a daily driver. The body is solid overall, with minor surface rust and a cracked windshield noted. It represents an honest, comfortable driver quality classic offered at an affordable price. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $15,000, Nevada City, California. This all-original 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe shows 64,298 original miles and comes with a clean title. Finished in white with a red interior, it is powered by a rear-mounted 110-horsepower engine with dual carburetors and an automatic transmission. The carburetors require tuning and the fuel pump needs replacement. As a 1965 model with independent rear suspension, this Corvair is a rare and desirable preservation candidate. Number 4. 1965 Mercury Monterey, $12,000, McCleary, Washington. This 1965 Mercury Monterey is powered by a 390 cubic inch 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 60,000 miles and holding a clean title, it is described as a nice overall example. Known for smooth cruising manners and full-size comfort, this Monterey represents classic mid-1960s American luxury. Number 5. 1963 Dodge Dart Convertible, $13,000, Santa Ana, California. This 1963 Dodge Dart Convertible is a reliable driver powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It shows 69,766 miles, carries a clean title, and runs, drives, and stops properly. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, cooling system improvements, ignition components, and fuel system parts. A replacement fuel gauge is also included. Number 6. 1966 Ford Fairlane Squire Station Wagon, $14,250, Fruita, Colorado. This 1966 Ford Fairlane Squire Station Wagon is equipped with a 289 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and electric overdrive. The odometer shows 90,300 miles and has rolled over. The engine and clutch were rebuilt in 2013. Upgrades include front disc brakes, a rebuilt suspension, and a two-way tailgate, making this a well-maintained driver-quality classic wagon. Number 7, 1956 Ford Ranch Wagon 2-door, $13,900, Peoria, Arizona. This 1956 Ford Ranch Wagon is a rare 2-door model powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and carries a clean title. The white exterior paint presents nicely, the interior is in good condition, and a carpet kit is needed. Additional parts are included, adding value for future improvements. Number 8, 1966 Ford Mustang, $10,000, Edmond, Oklahoma. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe has been owned by the same seller since 1996 and shows 80,000 miles. It is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The engine has approximately 400 miles since its rebuild. Restored in the 1990s and stored indoors for many years, this Mustang offers solid potential for further restoration or enjoyment. Number 9, 1969 Cadillac Deville Convertible, $19,999, North Phoenix, Arizona. This 1969 Cadillac Deville Convertible is finished in colonial yellow with a black interior and shows 88,495 original miles. It is powered by a 472 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and has received extensive recent mechanical servicing. Features include air conditioning and a modern-style radio with wireless connectivity. It is a strong, road-ready luxury classic. Number 10, 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, $18,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door sedan is powered by a 350 cubic inch General Motors Goodwrench 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 10,000 miles, it features new paint, new wheels, a clean interior, and excellent glass throughout. It runs and drives excellent and is offered with a clean title. Number 11, 1966 Plymouth Belvedere, $19,500, San Diego, California. This 1966 Plymouth Belvedere is a rust-free example, powered by a 318 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing 42,000 miles, it retains its original sheet metal and has been repainted once in its factory color. The car runs and drives excellent and is supported by a clean Nevada title and strong mechanical condition. Number 12, 1947 Ford Streetrod, $26,500, Salem, Oregon. This 1947 Ford two-door sedan has been professionally built into a high-quality street rod. It is powered by a 327 cubic inch Chevrolet 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Features include independent front suspension, power steering, power brakes, custom bodywork, a modern interior, and high-quality paint. It is a turnkey custom that blends classic styling with modern drivability,